Good day everyone. In today's video I would like to show you how I make my thread pulling pliers. And from my previous videos, if you watch them, you could see that I really don't like buying expensive tools when I can make them by myself. So for my pliers that I use to pull out the threads, I just got the inexpensive end cutters from Bunnings or any other hardware store. The problem with them is that you see they are really steep. You can't really, when you close them up, they wouldn't go underneath the thread to pull it out. So what I do for that purpose, I have to make the inside a little bit bigger. For that I just use a simple round file, and to smooth off the outside I just use the flat file. I use a portable vise to hold the pliers in there, end cutters, whichever way you want to call them. Just do it up so it's nice and firm, and then all you need to do is make the inside of the plier rounded off more. You can see now how it's already taking shape inside there, and so all you have to do is really work for a couple of more minutes and it will get rounded off more. So I will come back when I have them all rounded off and show you how you finish them off. Thanks.